All right, imagine this for a second. It's 2026, Apple walks on stage, and suddenly the iPhone doesn't just feel like an upgrade, it feels different. That's exactly why today we're talking about the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max, because the leaks around these phones are way more interesting than people realize. I've been digging through everything we've heard so far, and there are 6 things in particular that could genuinely change how exciting the next iPhone feels. First up, let's talk about the thing you notice before you even turn the phone on. The colors. Apple is apparently going in a very different direction this time. We're talking about a deep burgundy, almost wine-like finish. There's also a soft brown tone that feels very premium, like coffee or light leather. And then a much lighter purple than what we saw in older Pro models. It's subtle, but in a good way. And yes, before you say it, black and white aren't the headline colors here. Some people will love that, some people will hate it. Apple kind of can't win. If they stick to black and white, it's boring. If they experiment, people miss the classics. Personally though, that burgundy color looks incredible. And if this leak is real, that's the one I'd go for without even thinking twice. Now here's one that actually matters every single day. Battery life. The iPhone 18 Pro models are expected to be slightly thicker than the 17 Pro lineup. Not by much, but enough to make a difference on the inside. A thicker phone means a bigger battery, and that's exactly what Apple seems to be aiming for. The current Pro Max is already crossing the 5,000 mAh mark in some regions. And with this extra space, we could be looking at something closer to 5,300 or even 5,500. That's huge. The trade-off, of course, is a bit of extra weight and possibly needing a new case, but honestly, if it means comfortably lasting longer into the next day, most people will take that deal. Next up is something Apple has been slowly building toward, and it looks like 2026 might be the year it fully comes together. Custom communication hardware. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to use Apple's next-generation communication tech, possibly the C2 or C2X, paired with an upgraded networking system. What does that mean in real life? Better efficiency, better connectivity, and even better battery life again. There's also talk of support for newer Wi-Fi standards rolling out around that time, which could make the phone feel noticeably faster and more stable on modern networks. This is the kind of upgrade you don't see on a spec sheet headline, but you feel it every day. Now this next one is wild. Satellite connectivity is about to go way beyond emergencies. Apple is reportedly working on deeper satellite support, potentially through partnerships that would allow proper signal access even when traditional networks are gone. Think remote areas, road trips through nowhere, flights, or places where cellular just gives up. If this actually happens, it completely changes how reliable a smartphone can be. Your phone stops being something that only works in cities and suddenly becomes something you can rely on almost anywhere. That's a massive shift. The camera might be getting one of its biggest changes in years. Apple is rumored to be testing a new main camera sensor, potentially developed with Samsung instead of Sony this time. This sensor is said to use a stacked design that dramatically improves clarity, sharpness, and noise control. There's even a chance we see a jump in resolution, possibly way higher than what we have now. But more megapixels aren't the real story here. It's about cleaner images, better detail, and stronger performance in difficult lighting. This could be a massive step forward for everyday photos and videos. And finally, this one is huge for anyone who cares about photography. Variable aperture. In simple terms, it means the camera can physically control how much light enters the sensor. In bright conditions, it can reduce light for sharper, more detailed shots. In low light, it can open up and let more light in naturally. This is something proper cameras have had forever, and bringing it to an iPhone could seriously level up how natural and cinematic photos and videos look. Pair that with a new sensor, and the camera system suddenly feels like a real evolution, not just another yearly tweak. So yeah, those are the 6 leaks that make the iPhone 18 Pro series genuinely exciting. Not just faster, not just slightly better, but actually different in meaningful ways. Now, I want to know what you think. Which of these upgrades would actually make you want to upgrade next year? Or are you skipping another generation? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more Apple leaks, comparisons, and deep dives. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon.